Do you have an assignment for submission tomorrow and are running out of time? Hey folks, please wait before going to Google. If you are not living on another planet, you might have heard of the fastest platform to get 1 million users. Yes, it's not Netflix, but ChatGPT, which can answer all your queries abruptly, do all your assignments accurately, and create genuine and unique content with just a few keywords in no time. Yes, this is why ChatGPT is becoming sensational with its highly personalized search engine that gives you an instant outcome that is unique and error-free. To clarify, imagine Google as a pharmacy where the same medicine suggestion is given to all those with a fever, while ChatGPT is like your family doctor who gives you an exact prescription to subside your illness. Now the question that comes to our mind is whether ChatGPT can replace Google and other genres of creative content making. To answer that question, we should know what ChatGPT is and how it works. Let's get into the video and unveil the story of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is the acronym for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It was framed as a chatbot, i.e., a computer program devised to simulate conversation with human users, especially over the internet. ChatGPT can provide a detailed response conversationally by following the prompt's instructions. The discourse format makes it feasible for ChatGPT to answer additional questions, avow its inaccuracy, defy erroneous statements, and repudiate irrelevant appeals. For instance, if you ask ChatGPT how to write a letter to your superior for leave, the answer would be the letter, which can be personalized by giving exact prompts. You don't have to navigate between several tabs and websites to find the appropriate match for your needs. Who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT was conceived by OpenAI, an AI research and distribution company founded in 2015 by renowned programmers and investors including Twitter owner Elon Musk and Sam Altman. Elon Musk left the board in February 2018 to avoid any probable future conflict with Tesla, his main priority at the time, although he remains a donor. Sam Altman remains the company's current CEO. The company's motto asserts to explore the advancement of artificial intelligence to assist humankind. They launched ChatGPT in 2022. How does it work? ChatGPT uses a vast neural network to produce the human-like language it communicates. The human user types commands or questions into ChatGPT's text bar. The text inputted is tokenized, meaning the program divides it into individual words to be analyzed. The tokenized text is put into the neural network's transformer portion. The transformer encodes the text input and generates a probability distribution for all possible outputs. Then that distribution generates the output. ChatGPT generates its output answer, and the human user receives a text response. What makes ChatGPT stand out? ChatGPT gives precise responses to the inquiries of the user. It remembers its previous interactions with the user in the same prompt series and applies it to provide information encompassing those responses. It also allows users to have follow-up rectification until they get convinced of the outcome. Besides all of this, ChatGPT is trained to eliminate improper requests. One of the most amusing and interesting parts of ChatGPT is that you can get a fair response to your abstract imagination. For example, if you ask Google to write a poem on quantum theory, it may be difficult to connect these two keywords to give you the desired result. But ChatGPT can astonish you with this. What makes ChatGPT questionable? ChatGPT is reportedly giving unreliable or misinformed answers occasionally. It is also found that the chatbot is unable to process complex questions. They can only offer guidance and information on issues within their domain, and the worst part is that their database is updated till 2021 only. Now let's crack our big question of whether ChatGPT is killing Google and Amazon. Are you ready to ask this question to ChatGPT itself? It was seen that when ChatGPT was asked this question, it replied that it is not competent enough to kill Google, as it is only a language model and does not have the ability or motive to disservice or disrupt a company like Google. What will these companies do? Google will try to serve as the top search engine by incorporating AI chat-like features into its core search product. These tactics are viable because it has the largest index and the strongest user assessment circuit. In addition, Google is a well-established and esteemed company with a distinct range of technologies, resources, and proficiency, and it is absurd to imagine that a single product could nullify its recognition and reputation. Every time a person searches on Google and interacts with its search results, it implants another piece of information into its algorithms. Google is well versed in monitoring each click and every mouse motion to deliver the most accurate search results with minimum uncertainty. The company spends hundreds of billions of dollars annually to sustain and update a live internet map to guide people to their exact destination wherever and whenever. Why is Google not coming up with an AI tool? Do you know that 58% of Google's revenue comes from search ads alone? Google has introduced its AI tool named LaMDA as a competitor for ChatGPT and is working on 20+ AI tools. But Google is not so confident in experimenting with AI because a failure can give it a big loss in its revenue when it shifts to ad-free AI tools. Innovative technologies have always been introduced into human society, so the nature of human jobs has been modified occasionally. So it is quite admissible when we see many people worried that the arrival of ChatGPT would cause people to lose their jobs. But since this chatbot has recognized flaws, there is no immediate danger. However, ChatGPT may advance in their technology with better expertise, and they may rejuvenate the system to introduce a more reliable database and high-end programming to tackle every genre of tasks. Companies like Amazon may find a cheap replacement for their content creators and data analysts in such a situation. If it is progressing continuously, it can end such tasks in which question-answer related tasks are done, like customer care, teachers, teaching, coaching. Is it possible for AI to replace human creativity? Though AI can generate unique and compelling content, it cannot replace human beings' emotional intelligence and spontaneity. Creativity is a lot of complex processes, and each brain in this world is sprouting with exclusive thought processes. After all, ChatGPT is working on limited trained data based on pre-existing projects that cannot replicate human thought's diversity. With that note ends this video. Thanks for watching. Please let us know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.